Have you been considering the purchase of a long arm only to become overwhelmed and even a little daunted by all the options available? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you 3 things to think about when choosing your long arm. Hi, I'm Angela Walters from Quilting is My Therapy. I've been machine quilting since 2003 and have taught a lot of machine quilting classes. When I'm traveling and teaching, some of the most common questions I'm asked have to do with picking out a long arm. There are so many different options, but the good thing is it doesn't have to be difficult. Here are 3 things to consider when picking out a long arm machine. First off, decide, do you want to sit down or stand up? A sit-down machine is ideal for quilters who don't like standing for long periods of time or just want to have their hands on the quilt. For instance, the Sweet 16 is perfect. It doesn't take up very much room, and it's built for machine quilting. Since the head is oriented in this position, that means I can move my hands in all different directions. It's also perfect for quilting with rulers. And with 16 inches of throat space, you're going to have plenty of room to quilt quilts no matter how big or small they are. Quilting on a stand-up machine is a completely different experience because you're moving the machine and not the fabric. That means you can quilt very quickly and get that quilt done even faster. Now, don't let the thought of moving the machine scare you. It's actually on 2 sets of wheels, which means it moves nice and easy, especially if it's been set up for your height. Number 2. Evaluate how much space you have available for a long arm machine. Now, I know how quilters are. Sometimes we want to take over the whole house with our quilting stuff, the kitchen, bedrooms, formal dining room, whatever. Knowing exactly how much space you have for a long arm will help you determine which machine will make the best fit. If you have limited space, but still want to quilt with a stand-up long arm, then the Simply 16 is perfect for you. Only taking up about 5 feet of space, it will quilt a quilt of any size. Simply baste your quilt sandwich, place it on the frame, and quilt away. Of course, if you have more space available, then you can consider getting a larger machine on either a 10 or a 12-foot frame. The larger frames means that you'll be able to get a larger quilting machine with more features, giving you a better quilting experience. The frame works a little bit differently in that you load the layers of the quilt separately. That means you don't have to baste your quilt sandwich, you get it loaded quickly and can get right to the quilting. And number 3, and most importantly, ensure that you have a great support system for after purchasing the long arm. A great support system can be the difference between just knowing how to use your machine and actually loving your machine. As a Handi Quilter owner, I quickly fell in love with my machine and the Handi Quilter company. When I decided to sell Handi Quilter machines, I knew that I could offer that strong support system that made sure that quilters that bought machines from me would be successful, whether here or afar. To do that, we offer setup and training to show you how to use your new machine. You get access to a private Facebook group, which is only for people that buy machines from me. This allows you direct access to me to answer any questions or help you with any issues that might come up, as well as other owners. And this is a vibrant community that I have so much fun interacting with. Whether you're interested in buying a long arm now or just testing the waters, you can check out the description box below where I have information about all the machines as well as how to get in contact with me if you have any specific questions. Buying a long arm machine can be a big decision, but it doesn't have to be scary. Just keep these 3 things in mind and soon you'll be quilting away. Don't worry, I'll be here with you every step of the way. I'll see you next time with another quilting tutorial.